Today is Wednesday, March 20th. This is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille 4-port manifold air conditioning power servo unit. This unit has been completely disassembled and fully restored from my friend Andy in Orlando. This is a level 10 restoration. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set. I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test whereby I check the pressure on the unit. So I'll go ahead and apply vacuum. And we have consistent vacuum integrity right at 7 pounds. And I'll go ahead and release the unit to atmosphere. And that's the functional validation test for the vacuum integrity of the 1970 Cadillac 4-port manifold vacuum actuator for the 1970 DeVille convertible. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillacs, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as the air conditioning components and specific, in this video, the air conditioning AC power servo for the climate control system, and in the latter years, the programmable controller from 1971 through 78. Today is Wednesday, March 20th. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.